Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix the Instagram error code 6296. So if you're currently also experiencing that exact same error code and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did firstly is I just canceled or I just went out of my Instagram app and instead I went into my settings app. So go into your settings app because then you should be taken to a page similar to this as you can see. So now on this page, just scroll down and then click where it says general in here. So click on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page similar to this. Scroll down a little bit again, click on storage. And now on this page, we're just going to scroll down until we can find the Instagram app. So here it is, as you can see, scroll down, click on the Instagram app. And now it's very important. This is like one of the last steps, basically. What you're going to do on this page is to just click on upload app. And then once again, click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for this to load and then click on the blue button where it says reinstall app again. So now what you're going to do, you're going to wait for your Instagram app to be reinstalled, because what will happen then is that you shouldn't, by the way, be logged out of your Instagram account. It's not the thing that you're going to do. What you're going to do instead is to update your Instagram app to the absolute latest version. And you need to do that to have the best chance to fix the 6296 error code, just so you know. So I did this myself, and by the way, when it was done for me, as you can see, it's just loading here for me right now. So when it was done for me before, I just went back into my Instagram app and now it worked for me. So I think that, or hopefully, this will be able to actually fix it for you as well.